Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will dive into the world of advanced English vocabulary designed to enhance your professional communication. So without any further ado, let's go. Vociferous. Vociferous is an adjective that describes someone or something as being vocal, loud, or expressive, especially when expressing opinions, concerns, or objections in a forceful way. It is often used in the context of work-related issues. The vociferous protest by the employees highlighted their dissatisfaction with the new policies. It implies a strong expression of their feelings about new policies. The vociferous protesters gathered outside the government building, chanting slogans and demanding change. These protesters were very vocal, loud, and expressive in their actions. They were chanting slogans forcefully and passionately because they want their views to be heard. Next is remuneration. So, in simple terms, remuneration is the payment or reward that someone gets for their work. This includes all kinds of compensation such as salary, bonuses, or benefits that an employer may offer. She negotiated a higher remuneration for her new job. She asked a higher amount of money for her new job. The company offers competitive remuneration packages to attract top talent. In this example, remuneration packages refers to the combination of financial and non-financial benefits and compensation that the employees receive as part of their employment. Next is overtime. Overtime refers to hours that an employee works beyond their typical scheduled working hours. If you are a full-time employee, you generally are entitled to receive overtime pay if you work beyond your scheduled hours in a week. She often takes on overtime to meet project deadlines and earn extra income. She takes on additional work hours to get extra pay. During the busy holiday season, many retail workers are required to work overtime to meet the increased customer demand. During the busy holiday season, many retail employees are required to work extra hours beyond their regular schedules. Next is lucrative. It is an adjective used to describe something that is highly profitable. It means that an opportunity or business has the potential to bring in a big return in investment. Investing in real estate in that area has proven to be quite lucrative. It can produce more money or profit. The entrepreneur launched a startup that eventually become a lucrative business. It highlights the potential for financial success. Next is telecommuting. Telecommuting is a way to work from home and still feel like you are part of a team. You can use tools such as email or phone for communication to connect with your team or partner instead of driving to a physical location every day. Telecommuting became more common during the COVID-19 pandemic, as many employees had to work from home to ensure their safety. Telecommuting has become more popular as companies adapt to remote work options. She enjoys the flexibility of telecommuting as it allows her to balance her work and family responsibilities more effectively. It provides the flexibility to work from a location other than the traditional office, which allows her to balance her professional career and family responsibilities. Next, ascendancy. It refers to a position or influence over a particular situation or group. If one group has ascendancy over another group, it has more power or influence than the other group. Her ascendancy in the field of technology has been remarkable. Her influential position in the technology industry has been exceptionally impressive. Next is professionalism. I think you hear this a lot, right? It refers to the behavior and qualities expected from professionals in a specific workplace or field. These include integrity, competence, ethical behavior, accountability, and a commitment to the standards and values of their profession. During the job interview, the candidate displayed professionalism, like by arriving on time, dressing appropriately, and communicating confidently. Next, meritorious. It describes something as deserving recognitions, reward, or praise due to its qualities, achievement, and excellence. His meritorious contributions to the company earned him the Employee of the Year award. He received that reward as a result of his outstanding, praiseworthy, and highly deserving contributions to the company. Next is tenure. In a general work context, tenure refers to the period of time an individual holds a particular job or position within an organization. Her tenure at the company lasted for 20 years. The period of her position at the company lasted for 20 years. The last one, mentorship. Mentorship is a guidance and support provided by an experienced and knowledgeable individual to help another person in their personal or professional development. His mentorship played a crucial role in my career growth. His advice, guidance, or direction helps me a lot with my career. And there we have it. This advanced vocabulary can be used to discuss various aspects of work, employment, and career in a more sophisticated manner. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more language improvement videos. See you next time. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.